Hey guys, this is our last one on rotate. Now to rotate means to turn. And we can have all kinds of different things, but the main point you gotta remember is you're gonna rotate based on a point. So let's just say there was a point right here. Look, this marker works. If I rotated, we can talk about, key terms here are clockwise means that way. Clockwise just means the same way a clock would turn. For those of you that don't know, old school clocks had hands on them and they turned around and showed you what time it was. Now everything is a digital. This is counter. I'm just gonna write counter for counterclockwise. Okay, so if I rotated on this point, which is 1, 2, 3, up 1, so 3, 1. If I rotated it 90 degrees, which is 1/4 of a circle, let me show you real quick. A circle is, going clockwise, 360 degrees, right? So if I went, let's say clockwise, 90 degrees, means I would go from here, let me just draw a line to show you. From here to 90 degrees would be 1/4 of a circle. So now it's right here. Pretend that's a straight line. So it was here, we're here, we've gone 90 degrees. Or we could have gone that same point, 180, which is half a circle. Or the last number we could have gone, well, I guess not last, but another number we could go is, we can go 90 more, and now we've gone 270 degrees, 3/4 of a circle. Whenever I go 270 degrees, I usually get super duper hungry. Hum, 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 hum. Now, we could take, a point could be for rotating anywhere on the object. It could be over here. We could say we're gonna rotate 90 degrees from the center point. So we could rotate counterclockwise, which means we're gonna go this way. Lefty-loosey, righty-tighty, for those of you trying to open something up. So we could rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise from this point. And what that would mean is we could take a string in theory. I've got a cord right here I'll use. And if we attached it here and we rotated it 90 degrees, we would end up, it moved on me there at the last second, we would end up right there. So we rotated it 90 degrees counterclockwise from the 0, 0 center point. I was at 3, 1, now I'm at -1, 3. And if I were to keep rotating, again, for me, it looks easier when there's a, let's call this a string, even though it's my charging cord. If I rotated another 90, we would now be at -3, 1. So we're here, we've been here, we started here. We're always rotating on that point. And if we rotate it one more time, notice there's a 3, 1, 1, 3, I mean negatives, but still, 1 and 3 are the numbers we keep seeing popping up. So if we rotate it here, we would be harder upside down. At 1, -3. So we rotated it 360 degrees when we were done. Bullseye.